Hello everyone, good morning. I'm Steve from UCAN English Tutoring, a pioneer institution for preparing IELTS, OET and PT academic examinations. In this video, I'm going to share the information on 30 common spelling mistakes that are committed by my students in OET letter. These are the general mistakes made by most of the nurses and other healthcare professionals in their writing subtest of the OET examination. Let's go through them one by one. Their discharge. It's not their discharge. It is actually their discharge. THEIR. THR. THERE is the location. It represents the location. For example, I went there. Okay, whereas there is something belong to them. Okay. And the next one is introduce. It's not introduce, actually. This is wrong. INTERDUCE is wrong. It is introduce. INTRODUCE. And then breath status. So they have mentioned a breath status. That is actually birth status. Okay. BIRTH and then STATUS. Whereas BRITHSTATUS is incorrect. Supplement is another common mistake made by students. It doesn't have I. Okay, so it doesn't start with the it doesn't go with I. So the incorrect spelling is SUPPLIMENT. That's wrong. It is SUPPLEMT. That's the correct one. So the one with the I would be the incorrect one. The way we need to remember this spelling, the correct spelling is that if there is any I refers to me, but supplement is a food, that's going to be eaten, right? So you can say like I cannot be eaten. I mean, you cannot be eaten by someone else, right? So you're not a supplement. So this is wrong. Okay, so the one with the double E can be the correct spelling. All right, let's go to the next one. Parental support. Parental support is wrong. It's actually parental support. It is PARENTAL and then SUPPORT. Laundry. It's the correct spelling for laundry is LAUNDRY, whereas LAUDRY is incorrect. Dietitian. Remember that the spelling for dietitian is DIETITIAN. It's not DIETICIAN. This is wrong. Okay, the one with the C is wrong. It is dietitian. The one with the double T is the correct answer. Transferred doesn't have double F, but it has double R. Okay, so TRANSFERRED is the correct spelling. Receiving, remember that receiving has E in the beginning and then I. So it's going to be RECE. So double E's will be available in the beginning itself and then I, double I. Okay, so it's RECEIVING. The next one is homopathic. It's not homopathic, it's homeopathic actually. HOMEOPATIC. That's the correct answer. The next one is hesitate. So it's not hesitate, it is actually hesitate. So this one must be hesitate. Hesitate is the correct answer. HESITATE. The next one is laparoscopic. The way we pronounce sounds like it doesn't have any A after P or before R. But the way we have to write them down is laparoscopic. It's LAPAROSCOPIC. This is the correct answer. This is the correct spelling. Appendictomy. Okay, remember that appendictomy doesn't need I. Appendictomy has got only E. Okay, it's going to be APPENDECTOMI. This is the correct spelling. Okay, so the one with the I is an incorrect spelling. Intravenous. Remember that intravenous has got OUS. Okay, it's INTRAVENOUS. This is the correct spelling. Diabetes. Remember the diabetes doesn't have I before. Yes, it has got the correct spelling is this DIABETES. Okay, and the next one is balanced diet. It's not balanced diet, but it's balanced diet. It contains D, so it's going to be BALANCEDDIET. Unevenful. Remember that Almost all the adjectives do not need double L. They need only one L. So uneventful with double L is incorrect. It is uneventful with the single L only. So it's UNEVENTFUL. That's the correct answer. She was advised. Okay, remember that advised is a verb which needs yes. Okay, it doesn't need C. If you have written on C, that is wrong. Please stop using C when you have to use a verb. Okay, and then drug abuser. Drug abuser is wrong. It's actually drug abuser. So you have to write down DRUGABUSER. And then whiplash. Remember that whiplash has got WHI. It doesn't have WI. So this is the correct spelling. WHIPLASH. Analgesic. Remember that analgesic has got this spelling. This is the correct spelling. ANALGESICS. This is the correct spelling. One without A here cannot be the correct spelling. Okay. Grateful. I understand that great, it would be great, can have GREAT. But grateful is different from this one. Okay, it doesn't have correct spelling. So grateful is this. I mean, we are going to thank someone, for doing something. So that's what we call grateful. So you have to say GRATEFUL. That's the correct spelling. GRAEATEFUL is wrong. Okay. Next one is until. Until doesn't have double L, whereas till has got double L. So until, the correct spelling for until is UNTIL. That's it. And then infraction. So infraction is incorrect. It's actually infaction. Okay, myocardial infarction. So the correct spelling is INFARCTION. The next one is gardener. Gardener has got GARDENER. That's the correct spelling. If you write down GARDNER, that's wrong. Okay. Extremely has got 3 E's. If you have written down, the spelling with the 2 E's only, that's wrong. It must be EXTREMELY. So extremely. Dementia, DIMENTIA is incorrect. It has got incorrect spelling. So dementia has got the correct spelling, which is DEMENTIA. And then cigarettes. See, cigarettes has the spelling of CIGARETTES. So the one without E here after TT is an incorrect spelling. Okay. Requires needs this spelling, REQUIRES. That's the correct spelling. And then encourage. Okay. Please encourage him to do that. Okay. So here you have written on incorrect spelling because it's ENCOURAGE. That's the correct spelling. All right. If you would like to get a free assessment for your first letter and first role play conversation, please send an SMS to me on my WhatsApp number or mobile number, that is +61 468 480 877. You can also reach me on my email address, that is steve@ucanenglishtutoring.com. I've been helping more than 12,000 students to achieve their desired scores in IELTS, OET, and PT examinations since 2008. If you find this video helpful, please like it and share it with others. You can also leave your comments in the comment section to motivate me. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I wish you good luck with your practice. Have a good day. Bye.